So far the roads are great. Walked in here and I'd been here for about 3.5 minutes and I had a plate of rice and venison sitting on my lap. Only the bare essentials. We've got the moon on January 1. I suppose I won't be able to see what the thermometer says. Oh yeah, you can see. 22 below. Here's the scene coming out of Martin's cabin on the morning of January 1st, 2010. It's about 7:30 in the morning and we're just about back out to the car, ready to do the Christmas bird count. When I left the cabin it was 22.4 below. The blue moon of December 2009 is just going down behind me. While Dave sits in the warm van, Jeannie's out in the 21 below zero. It's turning into a real nice day. Fonts Butterfield Road. Okay, Jeannie and David are working hard here on the bird count. Crossbill. And she doesn't want to move.
Did something good. She's not gonna fly. Run her down.
And here's some of the nice designs left by our bird friends here on the bird count. Oh, somebody was talking to us. As the sun sets on Lake of the Woods County, January 1, 2010, the last bird of the day, the hawk owl.